partnership deed. What do you mean by absence of partnership deed? See, before only I said what do you mean by partnership deed? Partnership deed means which is in written form. The rules and terms and conditions are written. What means content of partnership deed? In partnership deed, what we have to write? We have to write the names and address of all partners, names and address of business, the profit sharing ratio, all those things, right? If I say he is the before starting the business, if I say he is my student, he is my relatives, he is my friend, I can trust him, he won't cheat in future, so no need to make any agreement, no need any written document, just simply orally we made agreement, let us start a business. After getting profit, you take 50%, I take 50%, both should take equally profit. After 1 year, what happens? Disputes arise, we start quarreling. Why? Because we see the profit is more, so I will say that hey, I am senior, I did more work, so I should take more profit. If we see the document, if we see the agreement, there is no agreement, we did not do agreement before starting the business. Before I said that I trust him, he is my friend, he is my student, he is my relative, I trust him, he won't cheat in future. I started business, after 1 year we are quarreling. What we have talked before 1 year, we don't know, so now we are quarreling. But this disputes can be solved by following the provision for relevant for accounting at the time of absence of partnership deed. If we don't write, or if we did not write any document, if we don't have any agreement, if we have agreement, we share like that only, what we have written, what we have agreed, like that only we share. But if there is no agreement, then it is impossible to show any agreement of what we said, it is impossible to prove, right? Like that only, we can't prove anything what we have talked before 1 year. Now we are seeing only profit, I need more share of profit, but he need more share of profit, we are quarreling. So means law says, and Partnership Act 1932 says, if there is no agreement, then profit sharing ratio will be equally, no need to get any person more profit or any person less profit. Because if A says I invested 1 lakh and B says I invested 2 lakhs, so I should get more profit because I invested 2 lakhs. If you need more profit, then you have to make agreement. Here, if you need more profit, then you have to make agreement before starting the business, and you have to write that I should get more profit, you should get less profit, like that only you have to write. But you did not make any agreement, therefore provision of Partnership Act saying that if there is no agreement, then profit should be shared equally among the partners. Second, we will discuss that interest on capital. See here, I said A has invested 1 lakh and B has invested 2 lakhs. Then interest on capital, B says that we should take interest on capital as 10%, but A says we should take interest on capital 5%. Why B is saying like that? Because he has invested 2 lakhs, so he will get more interest, but A is invested 1 lakh. What Partnership Act saying means interest on capital not allowed. If you want to get interest on capital, then you have to make agreement before starting the business, but you did not do any agreement, therefore there is no interest on capital to any partner, right? And third one is saying that interest on drawings not to be charged, there is no interest on drawings of the partners, and partners no need to pay the interest on their drawings. Interest on advance or loan 6% per annum means if any partner has given loan to the business, then that partner can get only 6% interest. If he wants more interest, then he has to make agreement before starting the business, but he did not make any agreement. If he made agreement before starting the business, in that agreement he should write that if any partner gave loan to the business, he should get interest on loan 10% or 15% or 20%, whatever it may be. But you did not write any agreement, then only you can get 6% interest per annum. And last one is that remuneration to partner. Remuneration to partner means A and B are partners. A is the working partner and B is the sleeping partner, right? Sleeping partner. So after completing of 1 year, A can't say that I should get 5,000 per month salary like that. Then B says no need to get any salary. If A wanted to get salary 5,000 per month, he should make agreement before starting the business. He should write in that agreement, I am the working partner and I have to get 5,000 per month salary like that, but you did not make any agreement. Then provision of act says that if there is no agreement, then no partner will get any salary, any commission, any remuneration. Therefore no partner is get any salary, not allowed. We won't give any salary, any commission or any remuneration to the partner.